Welcome back to the Moodle Essentials video tutorials. So we have made the first step. We started populating the Moodle course page. The next step is to start thinking about the grading. Probably most of you have some other ways where you record all the grades and then do the calculator. Similarly, I have used the Excel spreadsheet in order to do the calculation of, let's say, sample course. These are the elements, these are the weightages, and these are the scores calculated with Excel. But today I'm going to show you how to simplify this process of calculating the final scores through the help of Moodle. Moodle has a really good feature called Gradebook. As you can see, the course page is populated, and when you add elements like assignments, quizzes, attendances that can be graded within Moodle automatically adds them to the gradebook, which makes it even easier. So now, in order to open the gradebook, we just click on the grades section, and this is the first page that you'll be seeing, which has the full information on the grades. You have the information on your students, then you have all the course elements here, the grades, and here's the course total. Of course, course total will depend on your course syllabus, on the distribution of the weightages. By default, this is what we have as the course total now. Now let's see what is the distribution and how we can change it. For that, we click on the grader report. Here is the small icon, and on the top list we go to the gradebook setup. So this is the page where we do all the settings. As you can see, by default, all the elements that you have in the gradebook, they'll have weightage 1.0, which means that all of them weight the same. But now we need to adjust it. Let's check the weightages here and then make the changes. In order to make the changes, you just click here, put the cursor, and start typing. For example, assignment 1 is worth 25%, we change it to 25. We have final exam, which is 50%. Then we have quiz, which is 20%, and we have attendance, which is 5%. We need to make sure that all of these numbers sum up to 100. We save changes, and that is it. Now we go back to the grader report and see the grades. So I have already added the grades according to the grades that are indicated here. For example, let's check the first student's records. Assignment 1 is 100%, final exam is 67% here, then quiz is 80%, and then we have attendance at 80%. The final score calculated is 78.5, which is the same with here. I have done the same with the second student. His final score is 92.50. If you want to change this course in the assignment at any time, you can do it by simply clicking on this pencil icon here, and then you will see this page. So in order to start editing, don't forget to turn the editing mode on by clicking here, and then you just type the new updated grade. Let's say we are changing it to 50. We make sure we save the changes. And now if we go to the grader report with the overview of all the grades, we can see, okay, let's turn on the editing mode. We can see that now the course total has changed. So the most important thing for you is to type in the grade, and then at any time you will be able to adjust both the weightages on this side, and then you can change the scores given for every element, and then Moodle will automatically do all the necessary recalculations.